case today, we did light lift needle method for double chin, we did Visage, and the patient loved the result. So I'd like to know what is your experience, because I know that you are already using Visage Excellence, those threads. So what is your experience? How much do the patients love the results, and how long lasting are the results? So your experience about the APTOS threads.
So I love the APTOS threads. First of all, they have hyaluronic acid which no other threads are having. So it's also lasting much longer.
And rejuvenating.
And rejuvenating the skin, so
the
they feel hydrated.
Yes,
because sometimes Indian faces, because they're heavy, we do not require fillers. We require more of threads because the folds are prominent, our faces are heavy. So if a thread is providing a lift and hydration, which is the edge, it gives us much better results.
Of course, so we have lifting effect, plus we have rejuvenating effect. So
the hydration
it
and
boosts
also
collagen, it boosts elastin, so no need for other rejuvenating procedures
100%.
for next 1 year at least. So also the new Namica thread, which is fourth generation, there we have also nano micro capsules, and with these capsules and with these structures we achieve even more rejuvenating effect, because hyaluronic acid boosts elastin and collagen even much more than in third generation of threads. So they get double effect from the threads, not only the lifting but also the quality of the skin is improved much more. So we also, I think we should mention the longevity of APTOS threads.
Yes, it's lasting for almost for 1.5 years.
Yes, 1.5 years.
And certain areas like nose, it can last up to 2 years.
Up to 2 years, because nose is mimically active.
Correct.
So when we do soul rhinoplasty, APTOS thread for nose correction, for tip or dorsal correction or augmentation, we have long-lasting effect, like more than maybe at least 2 years, sometimes maybe a little bit even more. So,
and what's your experience with the double needle that we're doing here in the chin area? What's the longevity? It's 1.5 years, 2 years?
Yes, it's actually almost sometimes more than 1.5 years.
Especially the neck area.
Because we implant it in submental area. We don't implant them in the neck. So we have cervicomental angle, which is our border, and below that we don't implant thread. And what's the point?
Correct.
So this is not active area. So when patient tilts head, moves around, so this stays inactive. So they have quite long-lasting effect, and we have the thread. It's called light lift needle method, which is brilliant for double chin, and we did it for our last patient, and she loved the result. She had amazing result. The only case is if the patient have fat there, so they are good patients for liposuction or lipolytics, so they are not
so
actually
choosing the right patient
yes,
is the most
so
important.
that's another point. We should choose right candidate, and we should choose right method. And APTOS have more than 30 products, so for any kind of patient, for any kind of situation, APTOS gives you the solution. For jaws, for mid-face, for eyebrows, so autoplasty for ears, so rhinoplasty for nose also. So the main idea is that the doctor should choose the right product
and
for
the right
technique. Yes, and the right technique, and you achieve amazing result and long-lasting result, and patients are satisfied. So I think doing APTOS makes patient that they are very satisfied with the results. They love the results, and also another benefit is that because of the composition of APTOS thread and because of the threads and cannulas itself are very thin, you can repeat these procedures after 1 year, after 2 years, as much as you want. So
what about the fibrosis by doing the repeated? And sometimes they say you cannot do a surgical facelift because you have fibrosis from the previous thread.
Yes, that's what I wanted to mention. So you have much less fibrosis in case of the APTOS threads. First of all, PLACL, what we have in the composition of APTOS threads, polycaprolactone and polylactic acid. Those two substances, both of them are 100% degradable, so they are well tolerated by the skin. So the overall absorption period is 2 years, and they just disappear, so that they are not storing their fibrotic tissues. And also in addition, when we are using hyaluronic acid, in that case, the formation of fibrosis is much less than in case of the threads, even with APTOS but without HA. So this is another benefit, that patient is free to repeat this procedure lots of times. So no worry about the fibrosis. And also if, for example, 10 or 15 years later she needs facelifting, she can do it, yes, without any complications and without any difficulties there.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.